Hey y'all, so I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a dorm room tour. I hope y'all can hear me. Like, I really hope y'all can hear me. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a dorm room tour. I thought I'd show y'all my dorm because I think that it looks really nice. So let's get this show started. I really love this view. Like at night, it's really bomb. And I love just laying in my bed and looking outside and trying to show y'all. There's Subway and Cold Stone and 7-Eleven like right there, and then all the parties be over here. But yeah, and then I have my mocha right there. But this is an overview of my bed, which is really bomb. And I turn on the lights so you guys can see how they look. It looks really cute at night. If I remember, I'll take a picture. Okay, so here's my bed. So I did like a magenta, navy blue, and gray and white type, you know, color scheme. And this is how it looks up close. And I think this is really pretty. And this is my favorite pillow. And then I have my long charger. So let's go under the bed. Well, right here I have my fan because when I tell y'all it gets extremely hot in this room, it gets extremely hot. Right here are my go-to Uggs. They look a mess now. I got my shower shoes and my slippers, and then here's a bunch of sneakers and boots and heels and stuff. And then right here, y'all, I racked up last weekend, so I got some messy cupcakes right here. And then I'm gonna pull this out so y'all can see all the snacks I got because I really racked up. I got some bread and some quick little microwave meals and some hot sauce for my noodles. These are all the snacks I got. Got some little granola bite thingies, some coconut Oreo cookies. If you have never tried these, you're really missing out, and you need to try them because they're really bomb. Noodles, oatmeal, chips, cereal. I got honey buns, Pop-Tarts, a whole bunch of stuff because your girl be in here hungry. So I had to get lots of snacks. Then I got a whole case of vitamin water because vitamin water is really the best, like honestly, and this is the best one, dragon fruit. Then I have some Capri Suns, V8 Splash. What kind is this? The tropical blend. My favorite, Smart Water. Then I have some, what is this? Korean grape. I got some Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and then I got Dasani water. And now let's go over to the fridge. How the fridge looks, and I honestly have no space, so I had to put it under my bed, which is fine. I don't care. So once you open it up, I actually need to put my other fruits back up here. I have pineapples and some, what are they called? Some mandarin oranges, I think that's what it's called. Then I have some pickles, my mustard and ketchup. Then I have Twix in here. I have some ranch, some turkey, which I was really tearing up this morning. I love Twix. Like, if you ever want to buy me some candy, some chocolate, give me Twix and I'll love you forever. I have a Snickers in here and some fruits. And then I have my mochas, some more Capri Suns, and I have 2 breakfast smoothies. Then I have some milk, some Dasani, a V8 Splash, and Korean grape. Now let's go on to the little freezer part. So I don't know about y'all, but I'm a TV dinner type of girl. Like when, you know, I'm really hungry, need something quick to eat, I love TV dinner. So I have 2, 4, 7 TV dinners. I ate one the other day, and I love, this is my favorite Ben & Jerry's ice cream, the chocolate fudge brownie. And I usually get the chocolate chip Talente, but they didn't have it, so I got this one. It's okay, it's not all that, but I'm gonna eat it because I got it and I don't want to waste it. So this is where I keep my book bag. I got this from Forever 21. I have my books and folders, paper, printing paper down here. Then in this drawer, I have my lashes, razors, Q-tips, Nair, my contacts, what's this called, a lint roller, my speaker, some wipes, and the little nail clipper stuff in there. In this drawer, I have my supplies. I got some mechanical pencils, glue, scissors, all that good stuff in here. And then up here, I have my lamp, air freshener, my laptop. The best part about this desk, this Bible, I try to read it every night. I have some glasses right here. And here's my lipstick and my lip glosses. And here is my like washing stuff, deodorant, soaps, toothpaste, air freshener, my spin brush, perfume. What is that? My what is that called? Witch hazel. I got some of these little cotton rounds. And then in here is my hair stuff. I have a blow dryer, a curling wand, my favorite stuff, air control, eco solid gel mascaras, rubber bands. And here's my little board. It actually fell down, so I just put it on top of my little bins. But here's a close-up of my pictures. This is my mommy when she was pregnant. Well, after she had my brother right there. She was really big, really big. This is me and my dad. This is me and my aunt. This is my brother and my cousin, that's me. This is my grandma, my cousin, me. This is my godmom and me. This is my mommy and me. It's my mommy when she was pregnant with me. This is me and my brother. This is my mommy. It's my brother. It's my other brother and me. It's my brother and me. This is me, my grandma, and my cousin. Me and my cousin. My grandma, my brother, and me. My mommy, my dad, and me. And me and mommy. And then right here, I need to get this hung up, or get it stayed on something. But this is my mirror, and it actually opens up. Let me see if I can open up for y'all, so y'all can see. I don't have anything inside of it, but you can put like jewelry. You can put jewelry inside of it. So I thought that was really cool. Then I got some trash right there that I need to take out. And that's my trash can right there. Here's the desk chair. And then under here I have my caddy, my plates, and some napkins. And then this is what I forgot to show y'all. So in this drawer I just have some medicine because I get sick, and then I got some Neosporin Pop-Tarts that I need to finish eating or just throw out. Some allergy pills, some napkins, salt, and some Chick-fil-A honey mustard, and some Uno cards. And then moving on to this dresser. So I have my bowls right here, some forks and stuff, and some cups, some bags, some cups back there. I got some dish detergent, a nail polish, some chokers and necklaces, and then my earrings and stuff are in here. And here's the picture of my mommy. And I got some lip liners, mascara, and stuff like that right there. Oh my goodness. And here's me. I look cute today. So I'm gonna just like do a little like overview of her side. No shade, but it's really not all that. Like my side is really small compared to hers. But this is her side. Okay, now moving on to my closet. This is how the closets look. So I have a key because I don't trust folks. Let me try to open it. Hold on, I'm struggling. But yeah, I have a key because I don't trust people. And people love stealing stuff, so I keep my stuff locked up. Alright, turn the light on. There's the light switch. Okay, so here's my closet. It's kind of junky. but whatever. So I have my other Uggs up here. Then I have my I'm trying to show y'all his name. My Fenty shoes up here, because you know those are very well, these were actually affordable, but they're very expensive, so I keep them up. And I have some purses right here, some hats. I have my photo book, and this is my journal where I write everything in. Then I have some jewelry, my mommy's jewelry that I wear from time to time. I have some rags, some containers to put food in, and my pads. Then down here I have a printer. I have 2 packages because I plan on doing a haul. I have, what is that? Stuff to wash clothes with, I forgot what it's called. Then I have my laundry basket. Back here is a box full of my wigs, and I have luggages, and then got some jeans right here, coats and sweaters and shirts and stuff back there. So yeah. I got this need for you, forming in my beating heart. I knew the meaning right away. Only yesterday we're worlds apart. I got this name for you. If you come closer, I can whisper in your ear. And if you wanna walk away, I'll tell you all the things I know you wanna hear. Come closer to you if you come over. I know we go farther with you. I just wanted to show y'all how my dorm looks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I should have a haul coming out probably sometime next week whenever I'm alone and I'm able to film the video. That's when I'll do it. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. I'll have the code so you guys can screenshot it, and I'll put my Instagram name on the screen somewhere. So and I just want to show y'all my hair. I have to, like, my hair is really bomb. Like, I'm in love. I did band 2 knots last night. Then I decided to just put it up and have a little piece hanging. So yeah, I love you guys, and we're getting closer. Like, we're getting really close to 1K subscribers. We're getting there. So tell all your friends to subscribe to your girl so we can get there. Bye y'all.